Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this BMW key, and this is original key. We cut it and we open it slowly, as you see here. We took this piece out of it, and this is a very good key. The only problem is that the battery here died. So if you want to save this key, yes, we have to do a couple of jobs. We have to work on it. And the first thing to do is to get the battery. How are we going to get the battery? Yeah, you can go to, this is a barcode, and I get one. This is a piece. Okay. This is a piece of the new battery. So we already have the battery. I'm gonna keep it here. Here's a new one. We're gonna take this one out. So in order for us to take it out, first you have to have your soldering tools ready. You have to desolder this piece out. I am using also this tool here, this solder machine. So let's go ahead and take that one. I'm going to use this one because this one is faster to heat it. Okay, and we have to start doing our job. Please subscribe, share, and like. Any question, feel free to ask. So the first thing we need to do is to get this thing. Also, you need to have something like this. Okay. I want to take all this. See, it's a lot here. Hold on. Okay, you see here, this one is done. So I'm gonna go to this one. Okay, same thing. You have two things to do. Either you have to put the piece here. Okay, now this is a piece. But before I go there, I have to clean it also. You see this one, I clean it already. Yes. Nice. Now this is the old one. I'm gonna show you the difference. Even this one have like a small piece that they put it to protect it. I don't know if this one have it. This one doesn't have it, but it's okay. We're gonna put it in, and then we solder it. Before we do that, we need to test, really, do we have power or not on it? Stay with us. Okay, now I'm going to take the original one, and then I will try to test it. Okay. Why? Okay. 2 volts. 2.96. It looks like it's still good. Let me see this one. Three. So maybe that's one of the reasons. I'm gonna put this one here. I will try to put it back. So okay, go this way and then stop it here. If you wanna just do it like this, doesn't matter, but it's better to make it upwards. So I'm gonna do one at a time. This time I'm gonna solder it, and I have to be sure that it's well soldered. Then we test it. Good. Perfect. I want it to be straight. Okay. if I can get some signal here. Good. So all I need to do is I'm gonna put this one back here. Okay. It better go this way. Yes, you see here now? Put it this way and then put the other one on the top. You hear the noise. So all I need to do is I gotta put some crazy glue around to hold it good, and then I'm gonna put another box. There's nothing there, so they all finish. I'm gonna get that piece and come back. Yes. After I do that, and I have another thing to put on it. I believe this thing is done. Let me go get the crazy glue. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna leave it here to dry out. There is some music there, hopefully I will not get any. Let me close the door. Yes, now I'm good. So now I have another one thing I want to do it. I believe this one here now is almost okay. I want to see if I can put this one here to hold it. If I'm able to put this one here, this is the original. If I'm able to put this one here, it will be more better. Yes. I believe it's supposed to work. It will hold it, so I'm gonna push this one here now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'm gonna push this and be sure that it's still good, and at least the piece will be covered well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.